Hey everybody. Today we're going to show you the top 7 ways to make passive income in 2021. So I know 2020 was a rough year, but let's get excited because 2021 is a new year and we're going to really go through the best ways for passive income. And if you're trying to figure out, hey, what is passive income? It's just a way for you to build up an income stream that keeps going even if you like go on vacation for 4 weeks, or you go climbing up a mountain, or whatever you do. You can step away from the business and it still makes you money, and it makes you money when you sleep. So when you go to sleep, you might wake up and the next morning you got $500 in your account. So passive income is making money even though you're actually not doing work at that time. So like a job, you'll go to work, come back, and when you're not working, you're not making any income. So when you go to work that 8 hours or 10 hours, however many hours you work at a job, you make money. When you're not working at the job, you're not making money. So passive income is a way to make money and not work. Now you have to work to obviously build the passive income up and make it so that it's self-sufficient and needs minimal maintenance. So let's go through what we've got. So let's go through the 7, and if you stay to the end, the last one is a big one because I think that there is some things coming up in the market, or the way that things are coming up in today's world, that will be a great opportunity, and we're going to review that in the 7th one. So if you stay to the end, we'll go over some keys on the 7th and the most lucrative one, I think, coming up in the next few years. So if we head over to online, and now this one isn't super lucrative, but it's self-publishing on Amazon. So that's your number one, self-publishing. Now, like I said, it's not super lucrative. It can be if you write like bestsellers or something, it's really kicking butt. But if you look, these books right here, these are Kindle. Now, whether they self-publish or they went through a publisher, I don't know, but you can self-publish. My wife has a couple of self-published books on Amazon. Every month, we make a couple $100 a month. Is it a ton? No, but it's money, and every month we make it. People buy her book. It's a really good book, and we make money off of it. So self-publishing through Amazon, you can pull up different articles and different videos on how to do self-publishing. That's how we figured it out when we did it. We just kind of learned on our own and did it. And you can do the same thing. The second thing that we think is really a great way to make passive income, if you look here, is affiliate. So here is like an affiliate website. And if you look at this one, what they did is, they're talking about going to college, like college planning for your teenager and getting ready to prepare everything, like when they go to college, finances, you have to take the ACT, the SAT exams. And if you look here, if you click on ACT, bring up articles on ACT. Within these articles, like difference between ACT and SAT, what is the ACT? There'll be links to affiliate programs for like courses on how to get a better score in the ACT and this and that. Every time somebody clicks on that and buys it, this website gets a commission. Same thing with here, like advertisement or these little ads, over here on the sidebar, $1,000 monthly scholarship. So CapEx, if somebody clicks on this and signs up, this website gets some money for that, because then CapEx hopefully gets that customer locked in and they make some money off them, by applying for scholarships. So affiliate marketing, you can do so many different products. Amazon's the largest affiliate. You can sell products, you can sell services, you can sell courses. I mean, there's just so many things in the affiliate market that you can do. But this is an affiliate website, and this is how they make money through ads and putting people through affiliate programs where companies pay them money to send them leads. So that is a great one. A lot of people make a lot of money on affiliate marketing or affiliate websites, creating these websites and building them. The next one you want to look at is selling courses, right? So these are guys, Authority Hackers. I really like these guys. I've got their course. I've gone through it. And they have a course on, how to do affiliate websites, how to make websites that make you money. And they sell the course to people, and people buy their course and they make money. And they also offer an affiliate program for people that recommend their course. So if you recommend it and you use my link to go to it, then I make money and they make money. But like I said, they developed this course themselves. So once they develop it and they put it out there and they start getting sales, that's like 100% profitability. Because let's say the course is $500 and I go and buy it. I mean, they make $500 because they just send you to a secure page on their website that has all the course material. And you go through and you study it and you learn it. And you spent the $500 to get all that information and you have access to it forever. So developing courses is big, big money. So once you get into affiliate and you start driving traffic, then what you want to do is on your website, develop a course for whatever it is you're selling or whatever service or whatever you're offering people, right? And the next one is really YouTube, becoming a YouTube person. YouTube influencer, star, whatever. I mean, if you look down here, this guy right here, Mr. Beast, 18 million views in one day. 18 million. I mean, I think this guy has 50 million subscribers, like the most of anyone on the line. And he just makes crazy videos. And then he gets paid millions upon millions of dollars because he gets so many views. The advertisement with YouTube, he just makes a ton of money. And so there's a couple ways to make money on YouTube. When you do videos that people like and people come to watch, and you're in a niche that's, is able to make money, advertisers, you'll make good money off advertisers, or you can make money off advertisers. As your video is playing, these ads pop up, and if they click on the ads, then, Mr. Beast or whoever owns that channel makes money. You also have affiliate programs where people sell t-shirts, they sell some of their products, and it makes a lot of money. People, if you're entertaining, you want to make money and you want to make residual money, you have to be entertaining. And the good thing about these, the reason this is passive income, yeah, it's a lot of work to make videos, but this video, even though in one day it's made 18 million, it'll be up there for years and years and years. And 3 years from now, it could still be making money. He made this video once and it could make money for the next 2, 3, 4, 5 years. It's incredible how much money can be made. Now, if you don't like the camera, then you might run into a problem. You can make YouTube videos without showing your face. There's certain things you can do with that, but YouTube is another one where you can make passive income. Another one is ActiveCampaign or Aweber. These are email autoresponder systems, okay? And everything that I'm going over today will be in the description. So there's links that go to this if you guys want to check all this stuff out, check out these sites. You can go check them out. But these ActiveCampaign and Aweber, which is email autoresponders, you really need to set up a website. So you'll have to set up an affiliate website or some kind of blogging website where you get people to sign up for your email. And then you can email them anytime on anything that comes up. You email them and say, give them some advice on whatever niche you're in. And you might say, maybe you're in the making money online niche. And so you email me like, hey, these are the best SEO tactics for 2021. Thought you might like them. And then the next month you send them another email and say, hey, I found this course from X, Y, and Z. It's a really great course on how to do social media and how to set up your, accounts on social media so that you can drive traffic to your website. You might want to check it out. And then in that link, they'll go back to this course that they're recommending, and it's an affiliate link, and then they make money. So your email list, not only are you providing great information to your clients, but every once in a while you want to throw in an affiliate offer that you think is good, that they would like, that would help them out. And not only do you help them out, you get paid in the process having that affiliate link. So that is ActiveCampaign and Aweber. They both are really good. A lot of people use both of those. I currently use ActiveCampaign. The next one really is real estate, right? So I own real estate, and it's a great way to do passive income outside of online. Doing an online business, you can go buy a house and buy a rental unit, 4-unit, 3-unit, 2-unit, whatever. And then once you buy real estate, people are renting from you, and they're paying your mortgage, paying your bills, and then as time goes on, you start paying that property down. Currently, we're selling a property, and we're going to use that money, so we're going to make so much money off this because we've owned the property for 10 years. We're going to pay 3 of our other properties off, our rental properties. So then our cash flow for our rentals are now, in the thousands of dollars. So every month we're going to make thousands of dollars on our rental properties, and we usually don't have to do anything. Yeah, we get tenants calling us, say, got to fix this, fix that. And we just call a handy person to go out and take care of it. We call plumber, we call AC, heating and cooling guy to go out and take care of it. So rental properties is a good one as far as passive income. Another one is house flipping. House flipping is not really passive income, so we're not going to really talk about it, but I'll just mention it real quick. You can flip a house like we're doing now, and then take that money from the house flip and use it to pay off another house and use it as a rental, and there you got passive income. So you can use house flipping to gain a bunch of money to go through and then buy a rental and then use that rental for your passive income. Okay, the next one is VRBO. This is our 7th passive income for 2021, and this is the one I want to tell you about. I'm telling you, everybody, this is going to happen. In the next several years, maybe this year, maybe next year, in 2021, 2022, there's going to be a housing market depression, right? Housing prices are going to drop. It's cyclical. Happens all the time in the course of the United States, right? I've been around for a while. Markets go up, markets go down. Markets go up. The house I live in now, I bought when it was a down market. I got it very cheap, and now my house is worth a lot. So now is the time to be ready in the next year or two when housing prices sink, if I'm correct, and I may be wrong, but we haven't had a dip in housing prices for a while. When the housing market sinks, get you a VRBO. Now, I know we're in a pandemic, and currently nobody's traveling, so it would not be a good time to get a VRBO now, which is virtual rental. So this is just buying a property in an area where people go on vacation and then using it as a rental. And, you're like a hotel. And you can use these websites like VRBO or Airbnb, and you can list your property. And as you can see right here, here's a spectacular panoramic Gulf view, private balcony, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 165. If you calculate it out, 165 at night, if you bought this for like $150,000, let's say, and $165 a night, if you rent it 10 nights, you've already made your mortgage payment. So anything after that is extra money you make. So you have the potential to make way more money than you do on a rental, like a long-term rental where somebody's renting from you year after year. So this is another great way to make residual income, is to buy one of these, test it out, make sure you know what you're doing, and then if it's working well for you, then go get another one and get another one, get 2 or 3. And like I said, I wouldn't do it during the pandemic. I'd wait till the housing market and the prices drop, buy one, go through, learn the ins and outs of it, and then if it makes you money, great. If it's not making you money and you can't figure it out, the good thing is with houses or condos or whatever, you can sell them. And you make your money back, and then you're out of it. You don't have to worry about it. So that is the 7 passive income types that you can do for 2021. If you can, hit the like and subscribe button, and we appreciate you joining our channel today.